Wholesale Central Dropshipping Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Wholesale Central and related resources are included in the description below. Wholesale Central is a long-standing online directory that connects retailers with wholesalers, liquidators, and manufacturers across a wide variety of categories, from electronics and apparel to home decor and beyond. Designed to help businesses source products more efficiently, it also provides resources for dropshippers who prefer not to store or manage physical inventory. One standout feature of Wholesale Central is its large database of suppliers, all listed in one convenient platform, reducing the hassle of searching across multiple directories. The site offers search filters so you can narrow down suppliers by product category, price range, or business model, including dropshipping, allowing you to zero in on potential partners quickly. Another benefit is that many listed wholesalers provide contact details and straightforward terms of business, letting retailers negotiate prices, shipping costs, and other variables. In terms of strengths, Wholesale Central has built a solid reputation over the years by focusing on legitimate suppliers, which is particularly helpful for newcomers to dropshipping who want to avoid scams. The directory is free to browse, making it accessible for smaller operations or entrepreneurs on a tight budget. Additionally, the broad product range means there's potential for rapid expansion into new niches or categories without constant searching for suppliers elsewhere. Another plus is that many of these suppliers are US-based, cutting down on shipping times compared to sourcing exclusively from overseas platforms. However, there are a few weaknesses worth noting. The user interface can feel a bit dated and not as streamlined as modern dropshipping apps, so it may take extra time to research suppliers and manually import product data into your e-commerce platform. Also, while Wholesale Central screens its listings to an extent, quality among suppliers can vary, so sellers must do due diligence and test product samples. Unlike integrated solutions that automate order syncing or inventory updates, Wholesale Central functions mainly as a directory, meaning you'll need additional tools or processes to handle real-time inventory and automated fulfillment. Overall, Wholesale Central is a solid resource for entrepreneurs looking for a reliable, wide-ranging directory of wholesalers, some of whom offer dropshipping services. If you're comfortable with a more traditional research process and don't mind handling integrations on your own, it can be an invaluable starting point. Check the description for more details and decide whether Wholesale Central meets your sourcing needs.